Hello everyone, I'm Sasha. What I'm going to do is a demonstration of Netsuite about the sales and purchasing process. Sorry, I'm going to say sorry about my noisy sounds of the microphone. Maybe because of my computer. I've worked on this for a long time, and I find that I cannot fix this problem. So I'm going to say sorry, and I'm going to continue my demonstration with this noisy sound. Sorry. At first, I'm going to talk about the lead to cash process. There are two kinds of sales process actually: the lead to cash and quote to cash. Like lead to cash means when the customer is still not your customer, and then he as a lead. First, as a sales rep, you meet the lead and create online lead form for the customer to fill in, and you capture with your customer your lead. Okay, you talk about your business and create a quote for the customer, like this is an opportunity, and then the quote may become a sales order. After that, after the order is created, warehouse management may do the follow up, like do the pick and pack and ship, and email shipping notification to the customer. And then after the fulfillment is finished, the AR analyst can create AR invoice, and then the customer may pay the invoice, and the controller will receive payment. So now I'm loading Netsuite dashboard, and my role today is sales rep. And you can see that on my dashboard there are key performance indicators. Like I can see my new opportunities, new customers, the quotes, the sales, and you can set up your KPIs as you like. And the navigation portlet, the weekly pipeline, the phone calls that as a sales rep has received, and the appointment they're going to happen, and the shortcuts you want to define as a sales rep, and the personal settings of this dashboard. So I'm going to do the quote first. The quote or opportunities. The quote is like a quotation of these items, this price. This is a running number of the quotation. I'm going to input the customer, like as Smith, maybe Smith supplies, and okay. As a sales rep, my name is Alex Wolf, and I can choose the partner, my partner, and the document date. You can choose the date. The primary quote. The form of this quotation can be changed, like if this is a B2C quote form, or primary, or other gross profit, blah blah. I'm going to choose primary quote form first. And to define this opportunity, I can create a running number or any name for this opportunity. The close date of this, maybe I can say 21, and I will define this quote as a proposal or other you can select, and the probability of this quote maybe for 50%. The forecast type you can choose is most likely. It's a most likely quote. And the currency, the document currency, you can choose here. So to add item, you can use search like this. Directly input the name. After input the name, there will be available quantity, the unit, the list price, the amount. Like maybe I can add 2 iPads, or I can load the list of the item that I have input. Maybe I'll choose a shirt. This free. You can also add this discounts to all this item. Okay. After I add all those items, I can add promotion to these items. I can add billing information, or a promotion to add a discount for this quote. Shipping terms to enter the addresses, and gross profit can input the cost and price here to calculate the gross profit, and the contact person, the activities, and so on. So after I input these 2 items, I'm going to save this quote. Wow. Okay, so this quote 2585 has successfully been created, and I can check my email. So this is what Netsuite system sent me about this quote. Okay, the information, the item, like the iPad, the shirt. Okay. Well, let's come back to the standard sales flow. Like after the quote, we're going to turn the quote into a sales order. So let's come back to Netsuite. As a sales rep, I can create this order from this quote. So 2585. I can click this sales order. Then Netsuite will automatically copy all this information to the new order. So let's wait a few minutes. Okay, so this is a new running number of the sales order. The customer will be auto-copied. I can choose the location of this transaction. Like I will choose US East DC. The order date, maybe I can create a future order like 5, and also I can choose the project if there are any, and terms, if this payment terms for this customer exist, you can choose from this list. And you can choose the form of this sales order here. Like I'm still going to choose primary sales order form this time. If this is intercompany transaction, you can also choose the detail of the intercompany transaction here, like paired intercompany transaction. You can choose the target company here, like opportunity. This information will be mostly same with quote. less. Okay, promotion, all this same with quote. If there are any item you want to modify or add, you can also add from list here or search the items like by Google, or like search any items you enter in the system. Okay, this time I'll just cancel and save this sales order. Okay. As we can see, after we create as a sales rep, creating the sales order, next we'll change the role to warehouse manager to finish the pick and pack and ship process. Okay. The sales order is successfully created, and okay. So the sales order is successfully created now, like 18902. So to do the fulfillment, we need to switch the sales rep to warehouse operations. To enter the warehouse operations, we can see there are a lot of differences between those two roles. Like there are reminders which you can set up to here, and navigation portlet which includes different functions too, and about the late ship orders that orders have not been shipped over some days, like the inventory trend monthly and the shipping cost draft. This is you can also set up the shipping cost logic here and see the graph, how it goes, like monthly, yearly, or daily. To finish the fulfillment, I'm gonna use the global search here to search the sales order I just created. Okay. Sales order. Okay, here it is. The sales order which the status has become pending fulfillment. To fulfill the sales order, only need to click the fulfill. Okay, this history item is very useful, which you can access to the documents or the modules you have opened recently. Okay. After clicking the fulfill, the system will automatically copy the order information to fulfillment. Like the reference number is the order number, and ship via, you can choose the ship method, and the shipping cost maybe 25, and cash sale or not, and status, and maybe there are no enough inventory. You can change the quantity here as you like, and from which location this item is from. Like I'll choose US DC. Okay. Maybe sometime there are small gifts you want to add in this fulfillment. You can also add item here, like, or if you want to change the address which is different from the sales order or quote, you can also change in the fulfillment. Okay, this item fulfillment is already finished now, like 25281. Till now this fulfillment has been successfully shipped, and next what we're going to do is to create AR invoice and do the payment. Okay, this 25281, okay, we're going to change the role to controller.